Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
As a parent, I know my child needs more space to play and to learn. A school which learns him better and teaches him better, where he finds live models for love, affection and dedication, where he can nurture his individuality and be a future leader. And here's where I stand. Blessings International School, Tirukazhunduram, Chengalpet. For admissions, contact 9688999811 8012553412 73730
Shitayo hadian ke jingbu ke Khyrdop krong khajana da ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council hakashnong Khanduli West Gentle Hills District ki noilam jik seng bhalang per ki layo lad ban pen pawe ke jing Pyrshah jong ki halor ke jingbu yakni ke Khyrdop hakmat ka Deputy Commissioner jong ka West Karbi Anglong District ka Krishna Barwa haka jing layo kejat hakashnong Khanduli haka arp sautre yong arajar arfulai ki noilam seng bhalang ki bakan thop yu General Secretary ke Giantia Students Union uba trei bor lang suchen bat kiwe ki la pen paw hakmat jong ka Deputy Commissioner bakani ke jingbu ya ka Khyrdop krong khajana da ka council kade ke jaka ke badang ha pura hapo uput usam jong ke Shnong Khanduli kat ba ompat dep ban yang penbet ya uput usam da ki sorkar jong ke jela Assam bat ke jela Meghalaya ha ka bai dei bakni ke jingdawa nakalyang jong ka Deputy Commissioner jong ka West Karbi Anglong District kalakular bahkan sapensngo ya kini ke jing Pyrshah syaki bor badai pet jong ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council
We just had a meeting along with the public, so I would say we have came up with a resolution that we wanted peace in this place.
Yeah, definitely.
So that there will be a trade
from both sides, from your side also, from this side also.
But we want to make sure that there will be no permanent structure will be erected in this place.
Yeah.
Along with the signboard. They have removed the signboard.
We have removed the signboard. No?
So we wanted from your side that we are actually sending a very strong message to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council that this place does not belong to.
No, that is a different issue.
But issues, but we understand. But once you provoke with signboards, with erection of flags and all that,
already has been
no, it's okay. Proceed. Yes. So we just had a resolution. Okay, we just had a resolution. So we wanted peace in this area. Peace will prevail. And from our side, we have came up with resolution is that there will be no permanent structure erected by the Assam, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, or any tax will be put up in this place. So until unless that is not put up,
we have already conveyed the message to them, like till there's your state committee is there, our state committee is there. They will be meeting very soon, and before that, nothing should be erected over here.
So anything on written in black and white, so that we have to make sure. Otherwise, we don't want people from your side and our side to
written? Why
have any criminal conflict. Okay.
Okay, like we have saw this, but I think.
Okay, madam.
Okay, leaders,
see, madam.
you have to make your people understand.
So,
They
madam.
are in peace actually.
For the last 2-3 years, this area is very peaceful. Okay, these are two communities, Assam, Karbi and Prang. We are helping each other in the various activities. But suddenly they erect this tax gate here. Because of this only, it creates a problem. So just now you have taken a resolution. So the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, they should remove immediately this tax gate, and as well that police they stayed here. Otherwise,
Means our this post will be here for temporarily.
No, madam.
See, this is the proof. I just got this from some members. See, this Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, blah blah and so on. It's in Khanduli. So tax is still. Wait for the regional committee, so-called the interstate boundary redemarcation and all that committee set up first. Let the head,
they should decide.
The high-level committee set first, and let peace prevail in this area and no permanent structure, and let these people also live in peace to their own area. Okay.
As of now, we request.
We'll convey your
Since you are the head of the district, you can take a decision.
We will, but you can also, because in that meeting, I think 2-3 days back that we had it in Joy, the council people are also there. So we have also requested them, somebody have to take a step forward. So from your side, whatever say concerns and issues you have, you can just convey to them. Just convey. Right.
So any assurance from your side, madam?
I am here to look after the administration.
So let's have a deadline that peace will prevail.
I cannot give you the deadline right now because I have to discuss with the minister.
Actually, ma'am, this kid.
We will convey everything. That is, we conveyed also. Already they know.
Since you are in the administration,
When they bring commercial type, this and that also,
see, the main
they have to
the
pay
main
the
provocation
fees,
is Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. What happened in Mukro and what's happening now? Time and again, this is happening. Okay, so you are the mediator who could bring peace, who maintain law and order in the both district of the state. So you should take the masses message, the public message. The people of Meghalaya do not want any temporary check gate here. Do not want any police of Assam or Karbi Anglong security out here. Then peace shall prevail because you are both human. You are not alien, right? You see, madam. Karbi are not alien. They are tribal also. They are not non-tribal. We have a tribal relationship with them as well. So we are staying together in Shillong. We've been living together. But when it comes to border issues, who instigate? It's always the administration, not your administration. I would say the council of Karbi Anglong. So this is the problem that happened again and again because why they know this. The regional committee of both the states are actually coming to the phase 2 to settle up the boundary issue. And 1951 of the notification of the so-called governor of Assam, back then we were in Assam, so that has to be quashed because why Block 1, Block 2 belongs to Meghalaya. So that's on the high level. I'm just telling you so you to know some knowledge about what's happening around both states.
I know this 1951 documentation. I know all about.
We'll have to speak about it. So that's on the high level side.
The main thing is, ma'am, to remove the
as long that is there,
from here,
remove the gate
and the rest
this police, then there's no problem.
in the
So
government.
what our people want is remove this, both policemen and the
This is temporary.
No,
this one also.
signboard has been erected.
No, this one also gate. No, seriously, madam.
Earlier we can pass through
Madam?
easily from here.
Gate mean.
No, even this morning they collect money.
Let's see whether gate is there or not there. Since you have the policemen here, they can collect.
That's all.
Otherwise, gate is not gate mean you have to build a house. Mean you can collect money by standing here, so you can collect money. So the things that we want from our side that please send all this to your personal as before back, and then from our side to we are not here, but the people let the people live as usual. That's the only thing.
That's all.
What problem come because you erect the gate here and you put this personal here, then problem come. Otherwise, remove all this personal your police and remove all the gate, then there is no problem. That from our side we will assure you.
You are the head of district. So and from your side, I'm giving you a suggestion, advice from everyone here. we're giving a very strong message to Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. As long as border dispute is not being settled, so kindly clear out this place. That is from our side.
And the wisdom of the government to settle this border issue.
Okay. Both them must.
Please, let us.
Madam, we make sure by this week, please. Analiang ki rules yang balang prepare ki balang pok beri nyal trap mentasi lawan pok Khanduli ban layo ban syong jingalang rangkat bagi mengilam senong jong Khanduli bagi dia orang ba ini ka thang senong ke barang kaput bagi ni ka senong bagi ni ka jela Assam dalam longga bagi ijan bagi distrik Karbi Anglong kumajian adu ki tio bradap pi ba ke jingle bor ka sang kapor hapok ni kaput ki jongi kalau pembitar yau bun balang kam tami nong sosok Khanduli but kilami daki bor senong ban put ya katai ka kalau menong ka signboard jong Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council kepada ka entry tax gate jong ka council Henry ni sutu sai katai ka gate wabu antai kadai ka encroachment ini dalam menong ka jing kenturput ke Karbi Anglong support ke distrik West Zentia ni support Karbi dan support ka state support ka jela ka jongi bat pila sutu sai ba ka ajang ka jinggap ya pistu sai ba kadai ka jing tumu ka jongki namar ba la tu ba kerajaan gini ka jing put halor apdeng ka jela Assam ba jela Meghalaya ke jing le ka jongki ka don ka pelong provok yang song namar ba kadai hapo put Assam dong song Khanduli dan mene la yom kermat khmat ba gedisi ba ikut nongilam sing balang boper nanta ba ki nongilam senong but ila pa ka kubur ka batenge ya Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council bakim dia provok dan penset dengan kapor dia ban up hadu ba kini ki arli ki menteri rangba jong jela Assam bat Meghalaya jui bakim penbaik ya put Assam tadi kapor penbaik
dia cemu gedisi yang ki Karbi Anglong kam tu deskri yang ki dia kelami ki le kular ki wa naduk bentu wa weng nak ki kataga taxgate kam tu le weng si polis ku mitai kenang wa yo laj kawan ini yang ini songkan lile lamchi wa ki pai ba nada weng kita ke taxgate nak bentu ida ke khai paten lai ba kamu ju man ye mentu ye pai chwai mesti komon man ko bo ki kelam ni man kam ka tu dan man kan kam jing kelami penyu wa khai paten lai ba nanti yu lai lu me wa klem em ke jing senyau tentu ida i Karbi Anglong le ye ki wan ye i cha i ida ye la cha ki